Find the region representing x is less than 2. Okay, so what you need to do, first of all, is to draw the line x is equal to 2. So if we draw the line, draw a set of axes, make sure we label our axes x and y, make sure we draw them as straight lines, and with a ruler. Okay, where is the line x is equal to 2? Well, everywhere along this point here, the x coordinate will always be equal to 2, regardless of the y coordinate. So this here is the line x is equal to 2. Now, why is this time, have we done it dotted? Well, because it's dotted, because in the inequality, it's not actually equal to. So the line is dashed because it's not equal to it in the inequality. So when we have an inequality where there's no line underneath the inequality sign, we need to draw a dashed line. Right, we need to test a point. So we'll test the point 0, 0. So we'll test this point in the inequality. So x is 0 at the inequality. It doesn't matter what y is. We're going to 0, and we know that 0 is less than 2 is true. So therefore, that point is in the region, and any other point this side of that line is in the region. Now, you don't include points on the line, because that's what the dotted line means. So the convention is to shade the unwanted region. So we will shade this way, perpendicular to the line. Make sure you do it perpendicular, and remember we shade the unwanted region. So this has been a video to show you how to represent a simple inequality on a graph. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.